Should be dead last. Whoa. Well folks, what's good? Welcome back to the vlog. It's race day, round one of Proride. We're here at Robinson's and it's my first year in the Clubman class, so it's going to be a different day. And the track here has changed massively, so there's a wooden section behind me there, it's all been dug out now. So this is going to be a really fast lap. Got to give a big thanks to HTM, the WP Suspension, Service, SC Motors, Blackwater Graphics, Barber & Co, and I've forgotten somebody, William Glass. Those guys give me a lot of support this year, especially HTM, and then also William then get me into the best shape I can be for this season. So morning race is happening now, so we're in the afternoon this year. So gonna take a walk around here, have a look at the track, see how people are getting on, and then yeah, catch up with you in a bit. £100 prize for the whole shot here. The sportsman class is going to be a bit ropey, that's who gets it. What's happening here? Didn't get the whole shot you're packing in,
That's it.
No 100 quid.
I'm thinking maybe they'll give me 50 or 20 pound at least, you know?
I'll give you 15, like. The 10 mil! Brake C's done! I was coming to there, I was like, this thing's dead, there's no power. Front the back for me. Cheers. Thank you, boys. All right then, so that's us from round 1 of Proride. That was definitely a bit of a learning experience. First time in the Clubman class, first time in the afternoon race, and damn, them boys are fast. Also track conditions, so obviously the track had run up quite a bit by the time we get out there, so definitely took a bit of... Well, how'd you find that?
Good day at the office.
Not so much.
Good run there.
But
You had a good run yourself.
bit of a learning curve anyway.
You're still smiling.
That's it. First time riding with the track that cut up. A lot of deep ruts in it, so took it out of you. But yeah, unfortunately on the first lap, rear brake seized on, so I had to run back to the pits and get a 10mm spanner. So cheers to Stephen and Ciaran for helping me out there. Got going, but obviously at that stage we lost probably 5-10 minutes trying to get it fixed again. So yeah, finished 40 something, 41st I think. But rode pretty well once I got going again. Just disappointing that I had that sort of bit of a issue at the start, my own fault. Just new foot pegs, didn't leave enough slack in the brake pedal, so just overheated the caliper and seized it on. But got going again, and yeah, great race. Anyway, that's us. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.